Bear Buns Bakery and Cafe. Hello. Oh, you're closed right now. Okay, no worries. I was gonna grab that salted caramel cookie if it was available. Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys. Can I get 2 of them? Yeah. That'll be it right now. I came here 2 weeks ago. Had the chocolate bar, great. Had the. Oh, do you have any more Cinnabons or the cinnamon roll?
The cinnamon roll, the our bun. Sticky bun, you have sticky bun.
Sticky. What's sticky bun?